Hi and welcome to Digital Leader. In this tutorial we will talk about how you can add Google Translate to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to install the Google Language Translator plugin. I have already installed it and activated it. Now once you have installed it, you need to go to your settings and go to Google Language Translator. Now once you are in your Google Language Translator tab, make sure you have checked in this box to activate. Now you can choose your original language. For me it is English, so we will go down and from here you can choose which language you want to activate. Now you can choose any language you want and then go down and click on Save Changes. Now once you hit the Save Changes button, you need to go to Appearance and go to Widgets, and from Widgets you can add your Google Language Translator to anywhere you want to add it, be it your main sidebar or header or footer. It depends on you. So this is how you can add Google Language Translator to your WordPress website.